What do you think about silver here, Kevin?
I'm glad I sold half, and I'm now more of it's almost an experiment. It's still one of the top 10
No, no,
ETF.
independent of your anchoring. Like, just look at the chart now as if you never had any position. I'm interested in you just looking at the chart and like seeing what you think, independent of Kevin's positions or trades. Like, just look at the chart and give me your like honest opinion. If this is the first time you ever looked at the chart.
Uh, this is SIL. I'm using this one. This is my granddaddy. The volume is pretty good. It's consolidating. It's in this trend. It's above the 200 day. It respected the support level at 80, and it's okay. It's okay. Now, I obviously want to see it take out this 119 level up here, but
Yeah.
and that kind of corresponds from you break out of a 40-year morass under 50, and you shoot to 120, which was probably too much, and you come back into 70, and now you're at high 70s, 80, depending on the day, which is the middle of the zone, and we'll see how it breaks. But this is the house now. I'm taking off the anchor. I've got the house money. I've made more than 100%. I sold it more than half of it because I got too big a percentage of the portfolio, and here we are. So we'll see how it breaks. And if it goes the other way, I'll short it. I'll short the brains out. But so far, it's holding in there.
Yeah, I mean, I am, and you know that I was giving you a hard time because I made a lot of money shorting silver at the top.
I made a lot of
Um,
money being long silver. I mean, I don't
and
have to tell you,
and
I
no,
made
no, no, no.
100%
Again,
plus.
this has nothing to do with me and you or our positions. I'm trying to say is that I'm becoming constructive on it, and I was just interested in your opinion, like
Yeah.
of
Okay.
like
So
you
what's
where do you
what's
think
what's
that?
your what's your uh, what's the thesis on the constructive side, please?
Basically that it's like, hey, silver is a high beta to liquidity. Liquidity has clearly come back into the market. You know, Bitcoin's back at 75,000. There's the S&P has gone vertical, and I would think that like basically that could get a move, and it might not be an all-time new high, but it could get like an echo like boom basically. So you could get like a 20% type of move in it, get everyone excited that, oh, we're going to the high, and you don't even have to wait to see if it's a new all-time high or not, basically. Like you can get a free ride from here of like people wanting to believe it's the super cycle to 200, and it might be. But all I'm trying to say is that like you could get that trade without even having to like find out if it's not, or then like sell it at 110,
It
105.
it 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 did act better when the risk on trade became prevalent again. Pieces declared kind of, and Bitcoin bounces from 65,000 up to 75,000, and the Qs hit new highs. So yeah, I'm with you. I just think 40 years is a long time, and to think that it's only 7 months above that 50 level, I have a hard time buying that. That's proportional.
Yeah. It might just be trading. It might just be a trading thing at this point. I don't know. I don't have a strong opinion, but this is the
Okay.
first time I've been interested in silver in a long time. Like I was big proponent if you guys go back, like me and Charlie were like big long silver, high ho silver. We were sending high ho silver memes.
Hi, I'm David Maris. If you like what you just heard, we've tracked every single pick we make on the show, every ticker, every thesis, every entry price, over 1,100 picks and counting. We put it together in a free report with our top 10 performers, the reasoning behind each one, and a preview of our full dashboard. If you want access, the link is in the description.